So you've probably heard about add-ons. You've used a lot of add-ons. You may even know that there's over 2,000 add-ons. But you might still think that creating add-ons is just something for other people to do, fancier people. But if you're working on more than one Ember app and you want to share code between them, then Ember Addons are for you. And in this episode, we're going to show you how to make them. So first, let's take a look at the thing we're wanting to share. Well, we made a pretty sweet component called blink tag. And you just surround your text with blink tag, and you get a blinking header. Just how the web was meant to be. And you're probably curious about the code. The code isn't really that important, but here it is. And shout out to Gavin Joyce, who originally wrote this about 3 years ago. So our first step will be creating the add-on itself. So we just type in Ember Addon, and then the name that we want to give the add-on. And then we cd into the folder. So in this project, there are a couple things to notice. First, in the package.json, it's given it a name of blink tag and a version of 0.0.0. We'll update that when we publish in the next episode. Then, in the keywords, it has Ember Addon. You can add more keywords for metadata, but Ember Addon is what tells Ember and NPM that this is an add-on, so keep that. Now for the heart of the add-on. We're going to copy all of this, and then we're going to delete this so that we no longer have it on our web application. We're only going to have it on our add-on. And we'll go into app, we'll create the components folder, and then create the blink tag file and paste our code in there. So we have our blink tag in our app folder, and anything in the app folder will be inserted directly into our app. So once we've got this add-on linked up, we'll be able to just use the blink tag. But how do we link it? Well, in the next episode, we're going to go over more permanent ways, but while you're working on something, you can just use npm link. All right, so after you used npm link in your add-on folder, you go to your Ember folder and you say npm link, then the name of the add-on. And once you've done that, then you can go into your package.json and link it up like that. And finally, you npm install. So then when you start your Ember app, you'll now have your blink tag, even though you don't have it in your local components. Instead of being stored in the local components, it's in your node modules folder, and it's styled differently because it's linked instead of being copied over from the npm repository. So that's the basics of our first Ember add-on. Join us in the next episode when we discover how to publish that add-on, both to GitHub and to NPM. So we'll go over two of the most common methods of publishing. And then in future episodes, we'll go about improving this add-on and making it more extensible. I'll see you next time.